So today I've decided to show you what I got in Topshop. So my Topshop haul is here. To be honest, I had a little sneak peek because I had to wear one of the tops for events, so I opened it already, but I haven't seen anything apart from that one top, so it's going to be a live unboxing as well. And I live in Dubai, and it's a little bit difficult, it's a little bit tricky with online shopping, but there's an amazing thing called Ship and Shop, and it just gives you different addresses in different parts of the world. So if, for example, I want to order from USA, they give me address in USA and then it gets delivered there, and a courier brings back here to Dubai. And it's the same in the UK or in Europe or Australia, whatever. So it's super easy and it's so good. It's the only thing that helps to get the things to us here in Dubai, and I love Topshop, I love Topshop UK, and I wanted one particular t-shirt. So as I was ordering and as it's a bit difficult with the shipping, I thought, okay, I'm gonna get some more of the things I need. It's not gonna be a crazy haul, but it's gonna be a nice one, and let's get cracking on. Let's see what's there, let's see the fit, the feel, the promise, everything. This is the top. It's super cute. It says LA, Los Angeles. It's really nice for this season. I love the blue with the red. It's just, you can wear it with anything. You can wear it with jeans, with skirt, with shorts. You can dress it up with jewelry a little bit, and it's just a really nice, easy, simple t-shirt. And I think this was 60% cotton, 40% polyester, but it's super comfortable, it's very soft for the feeling, and this was a size 10, and it's a really good fit for me. The size 10, it's my size, so the fit is really great, and I love it. The next thing is a jeans skirt. I really wanted a jeans skirt, and this was like really super cute. It has these buttons, and every button says Topshop motto, and it's just like washed out jeans. It has a bit of a 90s vibe, a bit of a vintage feeling. It's super cute, and this is a size 12, and we'll see how it's fit. This is the skirt on. I love that. That's so nice, so cute. And the size is perfect for me, so this is size 12 for me. Size 10 would be just a bit too small, it would be too small in my bum, and it would just kind of lift up a bit. So this for me, it's super nice, and I love the 90s feeling, like it has a really strong 90s vibe. So I love the buttons, and I really like this horizontal lines going down, and this just has a bit of a ripped edge. And tuck it in, or I can leave it out for every day, or dress it up with some jewelry and accessories, and it's gonna look really nice even for going out. So it's cute. I'm super happy with that. So the next thing is another t-shirt. This is like just like baby pink, and I thought as well it's so nice to combine with anything really. And this one was £10, and the skirt was actually £30, and this one is 15, and this one actually is 100% cotton. I am super happy that it's 100% cotton. So let's see. So this is the top. You could wear it with the skirt, but I probably wouldn't. If I would, I would tuck it in. A longer t-shirt, a bit more baggy. I love the details, rolled up sleeves, kind of. And I really like this detailing. I really like the neckline. It's beautiful. And then it kind of has the separation from the neck and the t-shirt. And it's a super nice fit. It looks really good with jeans, or even with like leggings. It's just like really laid back with shorts as well. It would be really nice. And it's just a really nice baby pink color. So the next thing is this dress. And to be honest, I picked up this dress only because it was £5. This one was on sale. The original price is £39 and it was for £5. And I thought, well, for £5 it's amazing. It's just so like, it's just a really simple floral dress, and it's just amazing for the beach days, for just a simple going to the shop or anything. So easy to wear. Let's see. And that's the dress on for simple days. Just so when you quickly need to put, I live in a really hot country, so when I go to the pool or to the beach, I can quickly put this on. It has as well the buttons all the way through, so even if I need to, I can quickly just take it off, and it's super easy. It has also its own the straps, and you can adjust the straps, and it just has a slight v-neck. And the next thing again is just a really simple t-shirt. It's slightly cropped, but it's kind of a boxy fit, so it's nice. This is a size 10, and yeah, it's just a simple. So again, 100% cotton. It's maybe needs a wash, so it's a little bit better because it's been in the bag. But otherwise, it's really nice. It's simple. It's easy to put on. Again, you can just mix with skirt. You can dress it up with some jewelry. And the last thing is another t-shirt. It's exactly the same, just in a different color, and this is a size 12. So we'll see how the size 12 will look, because I'm happy with the fit with the 10, but size 12 probably just going to be a bit longer. And this is, to be honest, that's the main thing what I always refresh for every season. I just stock up with new t-shirts, because you know they wear off quite quickly, and every season that's as well the simplest thing, that you can just get the t-shirts in the color or the pattern of the season, and you can change any outfit. Then you can invest in your jeans, in your skirt, or in your jackets, but just change the t-shirts, and it's going to be a completely different look. This is the last 12. This is a size 12, but to be honest, it's not very different of a size 10. Again, this is just, it's a nice boxy kind of fit, and I love the color. I love this kind of corally, orangey color. It's beautiful, and you know, for the summer it just pops, like all your features just pops up as well. It looks really nice, and just a simple t-shirt for every day or for going out. Again, it's 100% cotton, so it's really nice. So this is the haul. This is how crazy I get when I do haul. I get just like 5-6 items, and I'm really happy because for me it's a lot. I have one more thing. I also have earrings. Let me show them. So I also get just the large hoops from Freedom at Topshop, and I'm slightly been obsessed with hoops and with rose gold, and these ones are in rose gold. These ones were, I think they were £6 or £5, which is nice for a good pair, which is just easy to put them on and change them, and you know, you don't need to cling onto them or expect too much when they cost like £5. Like this 90s vibe is kicking in hard. So all the accessories, all the colors and makeup and everything, and it's coming like in much more like sophisticated way, so it's really nice. So these hoops are just perfect for the season, and it looks good with any t-shirt, any colors, and it's gonna look good with the denim, with the jackets. Really simple hoops. I love how they're a bit flat at the edges, they're not completely the same. So that's it. That was my little haul of Topshop. To be honest, I am not a crazy consumer at all. I used to be just, I go, I see, I buy, or I go to the sales and it's so cheap, I have to get it even if I don't need it, even if I don't have anything to wear it with. But with time, it changed a little bit. Even if I go to the sales, I pick pieces and I have something in my mind, what I need, and I always, even if I see something that I really like, I will always think, do I really need it? Am I gonna have something to wear it with? I'm not just buying whatever. I like to be a bit conscious about buying things, about if I really need them, if I'm gonna wear them enough, if I'm not just gonna put them in my closet and then throw away without wearing, without thinking about what I put in the planet, what I put outside. I really think if that's really necessary, and I think all of us should do it, all of us should think if we actually need it, or if we're just gonna waste, first of all, our money, of course, and then we're just gonna waste as well the clothes, and we're just gonna put it in the bin, in the rubbish, or even if we're gonna get a gift away that someone really needs it. So just always stay conscious about our planet, about where we live, about do we need it or anything like that. But that's a different topic, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, put thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, let me know all of your thoughts, leave a comment down below if you liked it, if you want to see more, and see you really soon. Thank you, bye.